Hello there, my beautiful doll-faced angels, and today I have an Amazon pack. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. I have an Amazon package. So, this should be 80. Oh, this should be 80 fidget toys. Mystery thing. Let's open together. Let me get scissors just in case. Now that we've gotten our scissors, we are ready to open. Let's go. I hope you will count. Let's see if I get my money for. So, it's kind of heavy, a bit. Okay, made in China. Love that. A lot of my things are. It says fidget toy set. It looks cute. I think I got the scissors. I feel like I'm opening like a doll or something. Okay, guys. Okay, so number 1, unicorn poppet. Okay, I like it. It smells kind of weird, but it's okay. We like it. It's okay. Number 2, we've got butterfly poppet. Also, it's also okay. It's nice. Number 3, we've got something for the boys. A dinosaur poppet. My nephew. Love. Okay. Number 4, one of these things. Fun. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Okay. Number 8 is for, I think it's a little more than 8. ASMR, guys. ASMR. Number 8, 9, and 10. These noodle thingies there. Okay, I like these. These are fun. What are we at? 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This for 11. How the heck do I? Gang. Oh, I love this. Number 11 is so fun. Ooh, thank you, number 11. I love you. It's fun. Number 11 is great. Number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Let's see them all. I actually love these. This is so great. I love how I'm just like picking the purple ones to play with. Okay, that's great. It's great. Number 18. So we have more of these. 18, 19, 20. Okay. We have tinier poppets. This is 21. Another unicorn. This one's baby. 21. A butterfly. This one's baby. Maybe a little dinosaur. 22. A little bracelet. Oh my gosh. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. I can't do it. Whatever. Okay. That. 21. No. 22. Are you ready for this? You ready? Oh, that was great. 22, thank you, 22, 23, 24, 25, a fidget poppet, 26, oh my god, oh, I love it, 26 made me so happy, oh, I love these, 27 are so funky fresh, 28, these are okay. okay, I don't really like these that much. I don't really like the clicky clacky ones. Like these, like they just I don't really vibe with them. They're not. 28 is okay. Again, the clicky clacky ones I don't really vibe with. I don't really like. 29, you're like kind of meh. Ooh, now what are these? Oh, okay, let's count, guys. 20. Okay, guys, let's count. Let's count together. That was 29. Okay, so 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, now let's open one of them up. 37. Hurrah! Huzzah! Okay, this is slime or some type of slime. Let's. It is some type of slime thing. I love. I love. I'm gonna put you back in 37. Hey guys, so bonus round. So I put all the little thingies in here. But thing is, I can put the gems because I'll just like use them for some other things. Okay, now let's mix. What is the white is changing? Well, obviously. This is the funnest thing, and it's such a pretty, cute blue color. Blue is like the strongest color here. For the randomest reason ever. So let's get even more. Some red. This is so much fun, I can't. This is like a 10 out of 10 toy. It's really sticky though, so probably 8 out of 10. But like, it's hard to wash your hands. Ooh. Color is like a throw up combination and everything. Oh. Now, to mix these big boys up together. This one's like bluer, and then this one's like rather. See, it'll be brown. Probably not. I don't really like brown. I say it's when I'm wearing brown. Shut up, singing idiots. Stickers and dots. Okay. Now, what is this? For 38. This is 40. I was wrong, guys. Okay, let's use the scissors. Let me stop with the hands. Let's use the scissors. So this is like the little cube. Where is it? Where is it? Is it? What? 0 out of 10. No, 40 is lame. What's this? This is 40. 41 is really, really fun. I like that. 42, another one of these little bracelets. I don't think I would use them as a bracelet. I think we'll just have it like something. 43. 43. Oh me, oh my. 43, I love you. Okay, 44. Another little bracelet thing. I feel like this one had the cutest little color combinations. I love those. Okay, let's open this after everything. Okay. 45. Or 46. I don't know, guys. 45. Oh, fun. 46. 47. 48. I love these little things. I don't even need to take off the plastic. It's like added noise. I'm kind of over it. I think I'm going to take off the plastic. I love these. What's this? 49? I don't know, guys. 49? I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love these so much. I love it. I love it. Now this one. Let's forget all the counting there, and we're just gonna. Oh, I don't even need scissors. We're just gonna. This is gonna have its own little counting. Number 1, fidget ring. 2, poppet ring. Number 3, poppet ring. Number 4, a poppet ring. Guess what number 5 is, guys? It's a tiny fidget spinner. Were you expecting that? Number 5 is a tiny fidget spinner. Number 6, poppet ring. Number 7, tiny fidget spinner. Okay, I like the tiny fidget spinners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8 is. Oh my god, come out. Oh, number 8 doesn't want to come out. So this is our new number 8. Fidget ring. Number 9. Fidget ring. Number 10. Oh, I love how I just keep the plastic on. I actually have like a little like squishy ball like this that I've had for like 2 months that I still have the plastic on. It's just like something oddly comforting like about the plastic on. 10. 8. I really like this. 9. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17 is a unicorn. 18 is so cute. What's 19? What's this? 19, you're so cute. 19. 20. And then little, like, things to hook it up. Oh, that's fun. 1. 22. 26. 27. 29. God, these fidget rings. 30. Oh! But that, and then, like, the little chains. I did little chains a good fidget toy. Let's go. because of how entertained I was just then, I'm gonna say yes. Now I have to say my favorite. This. Just watch this. Just like ASMR, guys. Whoever made this is so brilliant, and I love them so much. Like this is amazing. Thank you, thank you, the creator of this thing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now have a good day, Dollface Angels. I hope if you're planning on getting fidget toys, this helped you out because you saw how much fun I was having and how zoned out I got.